Assalamu alaikum and welcome to tutorial tuber channel. This is the 12th video of the 3D modeling, and in this we are going to discuss about the ellipse types. First of all, we will click on the front plane and click on sketch. After that, as you can see here, there is an ellipse, and when you will click on the drop down, first one is the simple ellipse. You will click once for the center of the ellipse, and second for the radius, and third, as you know, that it is the side of the ellipse. You can make any desired shape. For example, if you want this, click here. Now this ellipse is created. You can also change its length by clicking on these 2 points. As you can see, when you will be perpendicular to the center of this ellipse, you will select the length of the ellipse. As you can see, it is 100.77 mm. You can change it to, for example, if you want it to 150 or 160, write 160 and click on enter. Now its length has been changed. After that, we will check on another ellipse, which is partial ellipse. Now this is partial ellipse. First will be the center, second will be the end point, and third is the, you can say, shape of the ellipse. And because this is a partial ellipse, partial means part, and you can make any part from the cut of the ellipse. For example, if you want ellipse up to this, click here, and now ellipse is created as a part or as a cut piece. After that, I am going to share a tool. If you want to make this workspace bigger, you can simply click on this, and as you can see, it's hidden. And when you will click on this will appear. In this way, you will have more space area for work. If you want to automatically show or unshow it, you can click on F9 to show and F9 to unshow. And after that, there is another button which is F10. When you will click F10, you will see that the upper, all the features or the tools will be hidden. And when you click F9, as you can see in this way, the workspace will be really increased. You can again click on F10 and the toolbar will appear, and click on the F9 and the plane bar will also appear. After that, we are going to discuss about the other types of ellipse. Third one is a parabola. Parabola is also a, you can say, ellipse. First of all, you will click a line. As you can see, this is the height of the parabola. We will decrease it and click here, and after that we will click on any side. Now you can see our click was the starting of the parabola and its end. Now you can see a slide like structure has been created. After that is the conic section. Conic is also like parabola, but in the opposite direction. For example, first click will be the starting point, second click, and the third click will be the height of the cone. And click OK. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our latest videos. Thank you.